So now we have the motherboard. Unlike a PC motherboard, obviously the value is not the same, but there's definitely some value. You have the IC chips here. You have a few more here. I guess you can call them flat packs here. You got your CPU, GPU. You can easily remove these, I guess, heat plates, as they call them, or at least that's what I've seen them called. These are obviously aluminum. Take them out, and then you have the chip, which has gold in it. You have a lot of monolithic capacitors. These little small guys. There's plenty of them, and for some reason on the PlayStation, they're practically all huge. So the weight is pretty good on them, and I usually get about $4 per 4 ounces of these, and there's quite a few on the PlayStation. You obviously have all the ports. These all have gold in them. A hard drive port, I guess you can call it, that is gold. You have the USB ports in the front. Those have gold in them. And you have this little connector here. This one also has some gold in it, some gold pins. Gold wise, that's pretty much all there is. There's these little guys here too. I don't usually take them out, but you could, and they have gold in them too. The only thing that kind of fooled me about one of these boards was this here. These seem to be, I guess, brass plated, not fully brass, because if you put a magnet to them, there's actually some magnets. The magnets still kind of pull or stick to these, so they're definitely not brass. So I was collecting them at one point, and I was like, let's see if they actually are magnetic, or am I wasting my time? And wasting my time. Also, there's quite a bit of copper. These little guys here, these are all copper. They break off pretty easy, and then you can just crush them very easily with some pliers or whatnot, and you can get at the copper pretty easy. Another thing these guys have quite a bit of is these guys over here. There's quite a few of these, and pretty much they're tantalum capacitors. There's a value on them. I haven't had much luck with them, but I've heard people get quite a bit of money on them. And also for the monolithic capacitors, obviously there's the palladium and the silver and the whatnot in those. So those you should keep, and I've had really good luck with them. So that's pretty much what's in a PlayStation. And obviously the most valuable piece is the motherboard. Obviously, if it's a working motherboard, you sell the motherboard working. This one was not working, and it was not repairable, or at least not by me, so it's scrap.